Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Friday, the 13th, October the 13th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any emails you want to send me, you can use this address, and this is the link to get into our trading room. It's a free room. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our room and participate. So just follow the instructions on that link. You want to take a subscription to Trade Ideas, that's a link you can use. I open the room right around 9 o'clock Eastern Time. And just 1 second, please. Yeah, sorry about that. I was just getting a fill on this AUPH at 7:01. Okay, let me minimize this. 7:01, I was watching this. Again, this is from that momentum scan. I tried it the first time. The first time it broke and then it came down. I got out and now I'm in it again at 7:01. So we'll see what happens. I have to keep an eye on that while I'm doing the video. Where was I? So I opened the room at about 9 o'clock. That's when I start to share my screen, and I get live, on the mic at about 9:05. And again, a week Monday, October the 23rd, we have what we call our test drive. You can try us out. Our full package, real time, our premium package for $8.88 for the day. I keep saying that, $8.88 for the week. That is 5 trading days. That'll be Monday to Friday, all right? So you can check that link in the body of this email. All right, well, AUPH is starting to work not too badly. I just have to keep an eye on it, all right? So, where do we begin here? Well, the obvious one is HMNY. This is the one. Basically, I didn't have to do anything after this trade. So HMNY, it's funny, I did not participate really in this one. Through all of this, I had a few little scalp trades and all that, but nothing. I missed all the big moves. I just couldn't chase it. I couldn't find right entries. I know a lot of people in our room did. But today, I finally was able to, what I consider, got in a pretty good entry here. So I was talking in the room. I said, well, guys, let's see if this one has any bounce in it. It started to bounce here, and I was really interested if it got over $20. And let me just put this here, just 1 second. Really interested if it got over $20. And the minute it did, I really started paying attention to it. So I ended up taking the trade at $20.24, right about that line there. Look what it did afterwards. Now, I traded a lot out, okay? I mean, I got out some at 20. I think my first one was at 20.80, and then a couple of dollars. I literally got out at 22.24, got out some at 23.50, and then on the way back down, I got it back out at 20.24 for that couple of dollars. So anyway, this is just a tremendous trade. A lot of people in the room were able to take advantage of it, and it wasn't an alert so much as I had this thumbnailed, and 20 is just 20, 30, 40. These are just big psychological numbers. So I thought, so many people had participated in this before, and maybe they didn't, get the big move like what happened, kind of like me. So I was thinking, okay, gets over 20, that might draw a lot more people back into the trade. So that's what I did. What else happened? Did take one Holly trade. Holly was a little inactive today. This happened 15:05. I got into the trade at 15:15, and I sold. What did I sell at? I sold some down here, and then basically the balance flat. So that was really the only Holly trade. I did take another. Again, Holly was a little bit flat today. I did take this one, 42.39. I actually got in a little bit late. This is a very spready one. I got in at 42.69. Really was hoping it would take out 43. Had it done that, it might have really zipped along, but anyway, it didn't, and I basically got out of that one flat. This was the star on a percentage basis, though AUPH is starting to look pretty darn good too. This was the star. This came from that, again, from the momentum, okay, the momentum alert. As I said, you know what? I haven't traded very many high-price stocks because this window right now is working so fantastically. We're getting all these sort of moves, seem to be sustained. and lots of volume. I mean, this traded 21 million shares. I mean, so there's plenty of volume, and we're getting these great percentage moves. So hard not to take these. So until, as I said in the room, until it's broken, I'm going to keep monitoring that window almost exclusively. In about a week, we start earnings season, and we'll start getting a lot more volatile, larger cap stocks, which I'll probably partake in, because this sort of momentum does not last forever. I know it seems like it'll last forever, but it won't. So anyway, this was the one. So I missed this one because what the heck was I doing? I was doing something, and I just missed this, and I just couldn't bring myself to trade it. Now I finally got in, and it looks like it's very, very late, but I did get into the trade. I watched this. I'm not very good at these pullback trades. When I say that, a lot of people get in right around here, and I just have a tough time. I like seeing breaks of the high of the day. So look what I did. There was a little pullback there, and I finally got into the trade at 331. So I mean, it's not early. It's not that early, but again, I'll just put a mark there. I mean, look where it got to, 375. I mean, that's a tremendous, and it's such a short period of time. So I'd like to say I got out everything here, but that is not the case. I did sell out at 340 very quickly in case this sort of thing happened, and then 352, on the way up, and then on the way down, and now it's giving it up. This is what I was worried about right here. This is why I decided to sell it right about there, because I didn't want to see this happen. I didn't want to see a nice it was about a 7% move in minutes. I didn't want to see that evaporate on something like this. So that was that one, and that's about it. I want to get back into the room and monitor this AUPH trade, which is really starting to turn out pretty nicely. Yeah, we'll have to see where this one goes. This used to be a nice trader about a year ago, I think. So that's it. I'm going to close this down. I hope everybody had a great week. This was a really, especially these small ones, they just had such a fantastic run, and many of them. And lest you think that these are just low floats with no volume. I mean, there's plenty of volume in these. I mean, this last one, 2.7 million for the Aurinia, and with only 29 million in the float. So that's what can happen with these. So anyway, that is it, everybody. I hope everybody has a great weekend. Let me just bring back the tool here. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Any questions for me? Here's the email address you can use. Again, this is a free room, 100% free. We have got some of the best traders on the internet. Some of the best, seriously, we've got some of the best traders that you can find in our trading room. It's not all about me telling you what to buy and sell all day long. So I would absolutely, if you haven't been in our room before, come on in. It's free. No credit cards, no nothing. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas. And it's not like it's free for a week and then you have to make up your mind and do something. It's free. That's all there is to it. Obviously, what we'd love is, I demonstrate how I use the program all day long. And, ultimately, I'd like to think that you would take the program. I mean, if you're a serious trader, you should know how to trade on your own. You don't want to just rely on other people to tell you what to buy and sell. And then, of course, be in the room. It's a collaborative effort. Anyway, gone on long enough. Have a great weekend, everybody. And we'll see you bright and early Monday morning. I'll open the room at about 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Bye-bye.